Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure live captions are available, update teams, and join the meeting as a presenter or organizer. Once in the call, click More Actions, then choose Turn on Live Captions so speech begins to appear. If you prefer a language, use caption settings to pick spoken language. This improves accuracy. You do this now because early activation captures entire dialogue and avoids missing the first spoken lines. After activating, confirm captions appear at the bottom of your screen before proceeding. Once captions are on, open caption settings to select the spoken language or adjust detection options. This helps the engine transcribe correctly. Make sure Show Subtitles in a meeting is enabled if you want on-screen subtitles separate from live captions. You can choose an output subtitle language when supported to translate in real time. This is useful for multilingual audiences. Also, instruct participants to speak one at a time and enunciate. Clear audio directly improves caption quality and reduces transcription errors. To finish, start recording if you want captions captured with the meeting. Recordings often include the caption stream for later review. Make sure to stop recording and save at the end. If captions stop or never appear, check microphone permissions, app updates, and network stability. Restarting Teams usually fixes transient issues. If automatic captions still fail, enable live transcription or arrange a human captioner. This guarantees accuracy. Keep one troubleshooting step ready. Restart the app and rejoin to reinitialize.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.